Yeah, what's up everyone? Welcome back to Your Texan DIY rather. Your Texan is from my other YouTube channel that is meant for keyboard, pianos and the rest. That's by the way, but this is DIY channel anyway. Welcome back. This is your first time on this channel, do it to like and subscribe to this channel. So today I want to just do a very quick video. Remember, we're working on this series on how to fix this particular combo. Working on it, we have explained the transformer, the power stage, the preamp stage. We've been able to see various parts that are faulty, but before we go to the next video where we will replace each of those parts, as I promised you, I say I will do everything in your side so that you see it. I just feel I should make this video because I know some of you may want to do something like this and probably you make some of your wire up, and you have to be very careful. You know, I state it, there's a segment in this one that deal with 40 volt, there's another segment just 12 volt, another segment just 17 volts, so that you don't go take 40 for 17 and you know the rest of the story. So that's why I decided to make this one a very detailed one to save some of you some unnecessary expenses and spark and even injury, you understand. So take this video very serious. Now if you look at it, if you look at the label, I should use something very tiny so you can see very well. If you look at what is here now, this is out, this is G. The G symbolize ground, so that means this is my output section. You understand now, that is going to my speaker. So if I look at my speaker here now, this is my speaker, this is where it's coming to, that is for my speaker. Is that clear now? In case you are confused, that is why I'm doing this breakdown. Alright, now if you look at the other section, this is AC, G, AC, AC, G, AC. Then another one is here too, AC, G, AC. Then this one is AC, AC. See this AC, AC, that's the side that has no ground. Then you have to recollect that we have the side that is 40, 0, 40, 17, 0, 40, but 12, 12. So that 12, 12 is the AC, AC, which is this. So this is my 12 volt, which is the AC, AC. So definitely is the one coming here. Sorry about my camera quality. Okay, it's much better now. And if you decide to support me in getting the camera I wish to get, I have a description, a link in my description. Check it out. It's the Show Me Love page, so you can feel free to donate anything you want. Is optional by the way, but thank you in advance if you want to do that. Alright, you can see it. This is it now, the 1212, and you can see the label here, 12. Sorry for this. Okay, this should be better again. Okay, so let's put this now. So we know this is for our 1212. So then you see this now, this is ACG AC, another ACG AC. Let's assume you are not sure. Now, from the label of your transformer, which one has the highest voltage? You can see my blue, black, blue has the highest, which is 40. So this is my blue, black, blue. Then the other side is 17, 0, 0, 17. So, and you are not sure, all you need to do is the one that has the biggest diode. You see this diode is big, it can handle very high voltage compared to this 4 You see this 4, they arrange it, is going to do normal rectification work. That is what it's doing right here, because you see the negatives are negative while the positive is collected. So what it's doing is converting the AC to DC. But this one, this segment is dealing with the small voltage. So that is to tell you that the big diode, the input that is close to there, that is where the highest voltage is coming through. So this is 17 volt, this is 40 volt. So that means this one is coming along this part. I believe you fully understand. And if you are not clear, just look at the back. You can see the pin out is sending to this guy here. Right, this is sending to this guy. So that, remember I said it for that diode that that the middle leg are the one collecting the main AC input, and you can see the middle leg, these are the negative and the positive side. And if you look at our 40, 40, 0, 40, you can see this is sending to the middle, this is sending to the middle. That is to give you an hint that the highest voltage is coming here. So our highest voltage is the blue, black, blue. So you definitely plug that in now, so that's sure. So we'll plug the next one here. You can see now. So with all this now, you are very sure you are not making any risk of damaging any part or any component. Then for your preamp, once you see anything along this part, this is your normal audio input. You understand? This is the audio input. So that is what is coming here. Alright, the last one which is here, you can see it. how do I do it? We have my camera, and this one is just 10 volt. This is 10 volt, this is 12 volt, this is 12 volt, but our fan here is just a 10 volt fan, so we just plug it here. So if you look at it now, the last one is just this wire, then we can see the only space left is here, so we are sure it is this place now. So with this now, there's no risk of you plugging the wrong volt anywhere and damaging anything. Find this video very helpful and say how to give me a thumbs up, subscribe for more helpful videos like this. Cheers.